Working remotely can be daunting, particularly when it comes to finding balance between work and leisure. But with Nomad Internet's fast wireless services across the Hawaiian Islands, remote work can now be combined with the state's stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and other breathtaking attractions. Here are some tips on how to make the most of a remote job while staying sane in Hawaii. Explore some of Hawaii's top islands, like Kauai or Maui, where you'll get access to incredible beaches and rainforests. Perfect for anyone looking for both a productive workspace and a holiday destination. And with Nomad Internet's high-speed wireless services, even in rural areas, staying connected throughout your trip has never been easier. So you can stay on top of emails, calls, and presentations. Or visit Honolulu, located on the western shore of Oahu, for an exciting cityscape unlike any other. Not only will you find plenty of activities to keep yourself busy away from home office, but also benefit from Nomad Internet's unbeatable speeds outside of urban locations too. No matter where your adventures take you, it won't affect your connection speed either. Finally, if you are after a more relaxed digital nomad lifestyle, head over to Molokai, located close by Oahu's east coast. With its serene beaches, crystal clear waters, and beautiful sunsets, it provides a tranquil getaway unlike any other. Thanks to Nomad Internet, providing lightning speeds throughout all Hawaiian Islands, you can easily stay productive while enjoying all that these beautiful places have to offer.